Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Tanya. Today I'm moving from Guangzhou to Beijing for a new teaching job. I was contacted by a recruiter on WeChat right before my visa was up, and within a week I had to pack and move everything, so I thought I'd do a little tour around the neighbourhood and the two apartments. At the airport, I was having a nervous breakdown thinking about whether or not this was a scam, just because the whole WeChat hiring process was so dodgy. You never really know who you're talking to because they don't talk on video, and also their WeChat display photos are always some cartoon, and there's no real company details, so you're really just going in blind. But anyway, I got to the hotel smoothly, and the next day I would spend with the recruiter, and she would hopefully help me to find a new apartment rather than, rob me and kill me. We'll see what happens. I've just gotten into my new apartment, and I think it was cleaned by the cleaner the other day, but I mean, what is that? What is that? It's small, but it's alright. I've got a nice mountain view. Yeah, I'll show you around. Then as soon as you walk in, there's the bathroom. I mean, it's not the nicest bathroom, but what can I do? Like, I actually really don't like that. Just so... I don't know what to say about the bathroom. Then there's the fridge. This one is my room. Got a nice big bed, closet, then we head into the kitchen. Out of all of the apartments I saw, this kitchen was the nicest one. So the color of the counter and the cupboards was much nicer, because I saw like green ones and red ones with silver bench tops, and I was kind of stunned. I don't trust the cleaners here. I don't think they steam clean stuff, so I'm gonna have to go another round. So that's pretty much. Then we've got this huge room. This huge room is the living room slash everything room. I guess dining room too. And this is where my parents are going to stay when they come here. So I don't know if it's too small or, but it's what we have, so. And look at the view here, isn't it beautiful? I have a mountain and I have this thing. I don't think it's a farm, but there's a lot of trees. And we've got that area that is fully weeded. I mean, it's got a lot of weeds. And over there, I actually don't know what is over there, but it's got a mountain. And that's it. cozy pillows. It is raining in the community. I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of people on the road just exercising, and I think it's amazing. Like, there's no cars that come past even. Whoa. So that's how I ended up living in the middle of nowhere in Beijing. To be honest, I prefer the peace and quiet and waking up to the mountain view. It was just really far from the city center, but I was so excited to see more of China, it really didn't matter. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.